We are Kiribati. We have been living in this area for generations. It's a very beautiful beach, village and island country. We cherish the simple life we have built here. Our traditions and culture are rooted here. We know that one day the ocean will swallow us up. It's no one's fault but ours.
I got married here and raised 3 children. We weren't rich, but our life was simple and meaningful. The coconut trees and fish fed us, and we lived with the sea. But now, every day, with every tide, our homes are underwater. We have lived by the wisdom of our ancestors, but now it seems that even that wisdom will be swept away by the sea. Our happiness was once as wide as the ocean, and now the sea is threatening our lives. I want my children to move to another place. Just as our island was small but our dreams were big, we want our children to be able to dream even bigger in a new place.
Do you hear that? Don't be afraid. You're safe.
Attention, people of Kiribati. The Meteorological Agency has issued an emergency typhoon warning. A powerful cyclone in the South Pacific Ocean is heading north towards our country. Strong winds and high waves are expected around Tarawa Atoll in the next 48 hours. Coastal residents are advised to prepare for immediate evacuation and heed government instructions.
Despite ongoing threats, the people of Kiribati are undaunted. They combine traditional knowledge with modern technology to protect their coast. The story of Kiribati gives us hope. It shows that the human will can overcome any adversity. Born in a small village in Kiribati, Ioane Teitiota was an ordinary husband and father. But fate made him a champion of the waves. As he watched his home wash away with every tide, Teitiota made a decision. He decided to fight for the future of his family, his neighbors, and the entire country of Kiribati. In 2015, he stood in a New Zealand courtroom as the world's first climate refugee. Although he lost in court, Teitiota's courage resonated around the world.
Teitiota. Is he really doing the right thing? What is he trying to do? I know we all know the sea is going to swallow us, but somebody's got to do it. Teitiota's doing a great job, but is he really? Is he just trying to save his family? No. His courage will save us, I believe it. I know it. I applaud his courage. Someone has to tell the world about our situation. But who knows what will happen to us as a result? But at least he's taking action. It's not going to solve the problem if we stay put, of course. It's not easy to leave our land, but Teitiota is giving us hope. He's telling our story to the world. Yes, maybe his actions will pave the way for all of us. I hope his courage will reach all of us. I think it's time for us to do something too. Yes, Teitiota's fight is our fight, and we need to support him.